Sunny days, here again. Sunny days, here again. Sunny days, here again. Sunny days, here again. I wear glasses 'cause I'm so cool. I can predict the charts. Sunny days, here again. Sunny days, here again. Sunny days, here again. Sunny days. Join Tom's Army for $9.99 a month.
Good morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I'm XRP Future Millionaire and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So first things first, I want to read this. If you guys were in the Twitch last night or watched the Twitch live on the YouTube channel here after I posted it, you seen that I was in a Shiba long, a 20X. Ended up cashing out, was up 51% or $510. So I sent over $400 to my uphold. I now have like $21.70 on KuCoin, and I'm taking out another $400 this morning. It's just something I like to do. So, and the account on my KuCoin's up about $60 even after taking that. It was a $510 hit. So I did get out at Shiba, a wholesale. Woke up in the middle of the night. It was about 1-0. Where was Shiba at? I want to show you guys exactly where it was at when I got out. And then we got to read that and get through these charts because there's a lot going on this morning. So Shiba, I woke up in the middle of the night. As you guys know, I took 25% at 1108, or about 30%. And then I took the rest. I did not wake up on this wick at 1142, but I woke up when this was up here at 1133 and I sold out the rest of my stuff. Ended up being about 51% on average for the sale because it was $510 in PNL. So I sent over $400 off of KuCoin. And since you guys are familiar with my settings, I have $21.71 after sending off $400. So I bought some XRP and sent it over. I think I still have 500 more XRP that is trying to find its way to uphold as we speak. So hopefully at some point during this update, we'll see that go across, but it's taking 2,800 to 4,600 seconds to send it to uphold, which is fucking ridiculous. So a lot of spam happening. So here we go. Top 3 price predictions: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. Cryptos hint at a bullish week with the twist. So I wanted to cover the Ethereum as well because I wanted to share this on my Dogecoin and new page because everybody's going to school. Julie's got therapy, so I got to do it. I have to be good this morning. Bitcoin price shows a bullish start to the week, but the liquidity objective to the downside is incomplete. Ethereum price size using the 2,000 psychological barrier as a stepping stone for a swing rally to 24.12. Ripple price attempts to move higher after bouncing off the 38.9 support floor. So Bitcoin price and incomplete objective. Bitcoin price created equal lows around the 29,288 support level by tagging it thrice over the last week. Also, it says Bitcoin price reveals its bullish move after tight consolidation over the weekend. This impulse move has created many altcoins to explode as well. Ethereum and Ripple have followed suit but are far away from reaching their short-term objective. While a sweep of this barrier, aka Monday's low, was necessary, the buyers seem to have taken control, leading to a rally. So far, Bitcoin has rallied to reach the range high at 31,493 and is likely going to reverse the trend here. A sweep of Monday's low at 29,288 should be the key to triggering a relief rally bounce to the short-term targets extending from 34,455 to 35,180. And my high target's 35,000 if we test this support properly. Now, we just very well might be able to get into a short here. That's what we're going to look at the charts. Validation of this bullish thesis would occur if Bitcoin price produces a 4-hour candlestick closed below the range low at 28,575. In this situation, Bitcoin might crash to 27,708. Ethereum price needs to pause. Ethereum price created a double bottom pattern after tagging the 1731 support level twice on May 28th and June 3rd. The reaction from this setup led to a 9% ascent with more gains in the works. Investors can expect Ethereum price to retrace and tag the 1813 foothold before continuing its ascent. This level would be a good place to bid, especially considering the short-term targets for Ethereum are present at 2161, 2341, and 2412 respectively. If Ethereum price fails to hold above the 1813 support level, a good buy area would be as Ethereum sweeps the 1731 support level. However, a 4-hour candlestick below 1701 will invalidate the bullish thesis. Such a development could send Ethereum plummeting to 1543. So we got to see, guys. We got to be very careful. And the Ripple price on track to its targets. Ripple price moved closer to retesting the 43.7 hurdle, but failed and retraced to 38.9 stable support level. After a quick sweep of this level, bulls took control and triggered a 5% run up to 404, which is exactly what we called for this weekend, a 5 to 7% push, and we were able to capitalize on 3 different 30% long trades this weekend or more. 31%, 31.5%, and then 51%. So it was a fantastic last 3 days on Twitch. I hope you guys have been watching because we've been making some killer profits. Going forward, Ripple price might undergo a minor retracement to 38.9, but the upside objective remain the same as a retest of 437 and 484. Therefore, investors need to be patient with the remittance token. Regardless of the bullish outlook, if Ripple price creates a lower low below 371, it will invalidate the bullish thesis. In such a case, the XRP price could crash to the 34.5 support floor, and I disagree with that support floor. The support floor is actually 337 at the double bottom. I agree with most of what is being said here, though. So now we got to get into the chart. Good morning, everybody, at 9:07 a.m. So as you can see, the total crypto market cap is up 4.59% to 1.2695 trillion. This is a simple consolidation here, and we started a bullish cross in the 4-hour, it looks like. So what we need to figure out is if this is a fake out or a breakout. So we're going to watch the 20-day very closely here. And I want everybody just to do something very simple on their chart. That's it. Just very simple. Come right here and draw this uptrend. That's it. That's all you have to do. If we can maintain this uptrend, we're probably going to ride this up to at least 1.43 trillion, but we have a lot of areas to break out, ladies and gentlemen. We'd have to get past 1309. We've got another area at this cup and handle, which we're basically at 1.271. So if we get rejected by it looks like we need a little bit of a retrace, though. So I felt like it was a great time to get out of my Shiba long when it was at 1133. So I'm very happy with that decision because I'm not looking to be greedy, but I am looking to make $400 or $500 a day to where I can cash out and keep adding to my stack. So, and that's what I've done this morning already. So I'm very happy because technically my trades today I don't even need to do because I doubled up yesterday. Because I had a 31% VeChain trade yesterday before the 51% Shiba trade, which was found live on air. So anybody who was following with me, congratulations. So now let's start with Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, and then I gotta go. So Ethereum looks like it's starting this W reversal. That was my technical target, but then it broke down to support. So now if we're gonna say it bounced on support instead, we could say we have a technical move of 2288 if we can break out. We're trying to see if we can start this bullish divergence. So a lot of times what happens here is we come back down and touch the 20-day as we're meeting here. So I expect some kind of a breakout or a breakdown today, whether it's a few percent to retest some of these areas. But I'm not convinced that the 20-day is going to hold. The volume's been okay. It just hasn't been great. Like if you look at the volume outflow, there hasn't been a ton of volume. It's been decreasing volume as well. So this is eventually going to roll over. It's just a matter of can we get up to these higher cups. It's showing these reversals right on the downtrending support line, so it's tough. It's real tough right now because if it breaks up, we could come all the way up to 2288. And we're starting to see it in the 4-hour time frame if we can start these bullish crosses. So the next major move here would be to come up to 1946 and see if we can break that. Or we're going to retest down to 1852. That's the problem. We don't know which direction it wants to take this morning. Based on what I'm seeing, though, this is all going to be a lot of nice pump. Like I said, we had room for one more pump before the rate hikes come out and yada, yada, yada. Because June, we're doing the quantitative tightening as well. So they're going to start taking money back out of the market. So this is, to me, this is a very manipulated push-up, and I was just trying to make money off of it, which I'm very fortunate I did. I made almost about $1,000 yesterday into today, so I'm very happy about that. But I literally keep about $21.50, $21.75 on KuCoin. Every time I get $400 or more, I send it over to Uphold and I take it in cash and just save it. So that's my strategy I've been trying to teach you guys, and I hope everybody's been following along because it's been spectacular. And hit that motherfucking like button. I'm getting annoyed when I see under 100 likes in a video, but that's okay. I would love to see somebody join Tom's Army for $9.99 a month. We've been straggling there, but I'm doing the best I can. I keep the content free with this generosity from each and every one of you, and I would appreciate a few members of Tom's Army. We've been absolutely hammering this home. I've been giving you out leverage trades, regular trades, whatever you want to take. I've been giving you these trades. They've been successful, and we've been making some money, so continue to support the channel. So we're going to look to see if we have a retest at 30,046, and the reason why that area is important is if you look at the bullish cross here, it looks like we're going to want to hit down here and confirm this as support. I would not be surprised if we came back down to the 30,400 or 500 area and try to prove that this is bullish. So basically it would look something like you come up, then you would test this, and then you would come up and continue on this area. Bitcoin looks like it wants to. It's just the volume is so fucking low that it's scary. And we're up at the 200-day right now. So this is where you would typically get rejected, come back down and touch the 20-day and use it as support. So I'm watching this very carefully. And then with XRP. In XRP, we've covered absolutely beautifully. Once we broke that ascending triangle, we talked about how we could break out and possibly start a bullish divergence in the 30-minute, which we did and we completed. Now what we need to watch is we've come through the 20-day. So if I'm correct here, we're at 40343, which is a beautiful spot to start a short, to be honest. In this area, if you think it's going to go down, the first level that we can touch is 40167. And then the second area would be to touch the 20-day down here. And this is where I think we might be coming. Somewhere around 39 cents, or we might even meet around 40 cents and prove whether or not this is going to be bullish or not. XRP Future Millionaire, hit that motherfucking like button. I will be back shortly. I just got to make sure Julie gets out good, but I've got to cover XLM, XDC, DGB, and one random one that I've been getting requests on. So make sure to hit that motherfucking like button. I appreciate each and every one of you. Hashtag be better, do better. Hashtag FUD Assassins. And remember, help one person each and every day, because if I don't do my part and you don't do your part, what the hell is the point? And remember, UB2B, learn Tom's technical analysis. Seizing opportunities is a choice one makes. Don't miss out because of indecision. Join Tom's Army. UB2B. More to come with UB2B in the next updates, including how to buy his NFTs. I'm finding out from him firsthand.